Someone is at the front door.
Good evening, bargainers. In the process of living a healthy lifestyle, of eating healthy and being more active, and of course losing those last pesky 10 to 15 pounds, I stumbled upon the Eros Smart Scale. This is the original packaging that the Smart Body Scale actually comes in. It has a QR code over here, and it has a picture of the app that you're gonna need. It comes with a 5-year warranty for the scale, so if anything happens in 5 years, within the 5-year time frame, you can go ahead and you can return it or whatever needs to be done. Keep in mind, Eros has a US-based customer support services. The one that I purchased is the one that's in white. I like the white because it matches the decor a lot better than the black. And I just really wanted to try something new. The price tag for the Eros scale is around $50. I paid way more for way less. I have a scale that I use every day, and I needed something that provided me with just a little bit more information rather than tell me how much my weight is. I found other scales that were extremely pricey, but they didn't actually provide me with everything that this scale is providing me with compared for the price range. If you look at other scales that are claiming that can give you all of these, you're looking at around $200, $100 price tag, where the Eros scale, you're looking at $50. Of course, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck in comparison to other high-end scales that are giving you half of this. All right, so here is the scale in itself, and here's the box that it comes in. Funny story. I've been using the scale for about a week now. You know, you can't review a product that you haven't used, but I've been using the scale for about a week now, and when I first opened it up, I took it out this bag and everything, and of course here's the instruction manual, and here's the warranty right here. But funny story is, when I was using this scale, I remember it said batteries were included, and I was looking frantically for the battery. I'm like, okay, they probably forgot it, but little did I know, the battery is actually located right here. So you wouldn't know it because everything comes like this. Of course, I took this out, took the scale out, put it right back inside the box, but I didn't know that the batteries are located right here. So a week later, I find the batteries. Funny. Again, I purchased the white scale because it, matches with the bathroom, matches with the decor a whole lot better. And these are sensors right here. So you have to be barefooted to use this, or for it to actually measure everything. It has some nice rubberized footing, so it won't slip. It's, again, I've been using this for about a week now, a week and some change, and I really like it. I really enjoy it a lot, and it looks really, really nice. Here's a battery compartment. You just slide it down. There you go. And here are my inner loop rechargeable batteries that I had to look frantically for. So this is basically how the scale looks like, the bottom aspect of the scale. As you can see, here are the 13 key features that the scale uses to help you manage your body. First, it tells you your body weight, which is what a scale does. It tells you your body weight, then it tells you your water weight, your skeletal muscles, body mass index, BMI, your body fat, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, basal metabolism rate, visceral fat, and metabolic age. So these are the features that it uses to actually help you. Here are the two scales that I currently own. The black scale being the scale that I've had for approximately 2 years, and of course the Eros scale. As you can tell from the numbers, they tend to be the exact same. Sometimes one will be higher than the other, but by only 1 point. It's not really that big of a difference. They could both be wrong or they could both be right. Either way, I'm satisfied with the results that I'm getting. So
Don't throw your hard-earned money away on other scales when you can get your hands on the Eros Smart Scale. If you use the link below, it'll take you directly to NeverFit's website where you can find this awesome scale in either black or white, and all sorts of fitness equipment along with some meal prep bowls that I use myself.
If you want to show support to my channel, simply hit the notification bell, like or dislike this video depending on how you feel, and feel free to comment on what you think I should review next. And most importantly, subscribe, share this video with friends or family or whomever you think would really enjoy this. It's fun, it's free, and who doesn't like free? I know I do.